Bro, this is damn. What the hell? My god. Holy fuck. Dude. Damn it. Quite a beautiful song. What the living hell was that? Jesus Christ. You know what? That was hell. That literally was hell. My god, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm so